Welcome to the Gorilla 6 video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to manage production totals and sections. A production total sums up the category totals above that section. To manage budget sections, go to the Setup menu and select Manage Sections. You can also select the Sections Production Totals button on the toolbar. Here you can see all your production totals and their totals. You can also change the color of an entire section by selecting the color button for the production total you want to change. You can also create new production totals here. Let's create one. Click on the Add Section button and create a new production total. The new production total will be created. However, it is not active in the current budget. To make it active, select the Active checkbox. The new production total will be created at the end of the top sheet. Next, let's insert a row into this production group. Go to the production group and select it. Since this is a section, you will receive a dialog box that asks you what you want to do. We want to enter a category line item to this section, so I'm going to select the Insert button. This will insert a new row above this section, which automatically attaches it to the distribution section. You can then enter an account number for this new category and enter a category description. To add another row to this section, make sure you are in the row for that section, and then select the Insert Row button. Both these rows are attached to the distribution section. This means that the subtotals for these rows will be totaled and entered automatically in the total distribution total right here. Next, let's delete a section. Notice when you click on a section, the same dialog box appears, which allows you to rename the section or insert a row into that section. You can't delete a section here. In order to delete a section, select the Sections Production Totals button and make it inactive. When you do this, you will not only delete the section row, but also all categories attached to that section. Next, let's say you want to remove a section heading, but you don't want to delete the categories attached to that section, but just want to move those categories to another section in the budget. I've recreated my distribution section. I want to move these two rows to the post-production section. Select the Section button for that section. Then select the Delete Move Section button. Confirm that this is what you want to do. Then select the Move button. Select the Post-Production section or any active section in the budget, and you will see that it is now highlighted. Then select the Move button. Going back to the top sheet, you will see that the distribution section is removed, but the two categories and their subtotals have been moved to the post-production section. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot.